Using old technologies jeopardizes productivity and profitability when coating flexible film. Mechanical approaches like hot stamping require constant manual intervention, making them time-consuming and prone to mistakes. And while digital technologies offer greater flexibility and speed, installation and usage can be complex depending on the coater. Operators need to reach into production lines to replace ribbons in situ, and human error remains an issue. For example, operators could forget to enter a resistance setting. This can affect the performance and reliability of the printhead, increasing downtime and maintenance costs. It can also decrease print quality. Incorrect settings can generate faded prints since too little pressure and heat are applied for the situation. Our SmartDate X30 prevents these problems. Printing up to 600 mm per second at 300 dpi, it's a compact and cost-effective one-box solution that can easily be installed on your line or integrated by OEMs. And unlike other coaters, it's airless and plugs straight into flexible film packaging machines, reducing installation time and expense. Simple to use, the Optimal Color Touchscreen Remote User Interface, or RUI, helps customers to minimize mistakes, rework and recalls thanks to its home screen and password configuration. Print adjustment is only one click away, while up to 5 bespoke production metrics can be visible directly on the home screen at any one time. Selecting the right message is also made easier by connecting a keyboard, a barcode scanner, or a USB storage stick, offering the flexibility you need to easily code your products. The RUI can be connected and positioned anywhere on the machine, allowing the user total visibility and control of the printer. Consumable replacement is also easier, as you can pull the cassette out and load the new ribbon somewhere safer than the production line. It also features the TTO market's first ever Advanced Consumable Management ACM system. It speeds up changeovers and eliminates setup mistakes. After the ACM ribbon is inserted, intelligence built into the coater reads the ribbon tag and automatically sets up the width, length, grade, and color with no operator input required. This ensures optimized settings are used for the thermal transfer ribbons and the printhead, minimizing maintenance and delivering high-quality prints every time. Plus, you get the other benefits of Markem-Imaje's thermal transfer ribbons, TTRs. These include economy grade to enhanced resistant options, ribbon-saving modes to cut costs, 33% more prints per roll versus competing ribbons, dead dot detection to identify problems early, as well as an innovative back coating that delivers a smoother ride for printheads. This also keeps code quality high and can even double the printhead life compared to TTRs without the coating. And unlike other TTO coaters, you get a warranty of 6 months or 40 kilometers is standard on all our coaters. Enjoy cost-efficient, reliable coating with the market's first ACM system in the SmartDate X30. Automatic setup, no user errors, high-quality prints, less downtime.